Hi friends, let me show you this new metallic dog house. It is a large house, it's 4 by 4 feet and up to 4.5 feet high. So we're going to put it together and show you how it works. And that's it. You can use it now, of course. Really easy. These spikes, you can use them, these hooks, if you are going to install it in a soft surface like a lawn or in the dirt. So you can use these ones so it won't move, okay? And let me bring my pets. As you can see, they fit perfectly. It's a nice size, 4 by 4. So they could be there if you need them to be, in a place where they can not go anywhere else. If you are going to do some jobs in your house that you need your pets to be out of reach, this is a great option. And they have this rooftop, so it's kind of weatherproof. It won't matter if it's rain or sun, this rooftop will protect them. So if you need a dog house like this for small, medium dogs, this is a great option for you. Nice size, really strong, and with a rooftop to protect your pets. Perfect. Thank you.